Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to convert a Visa gift card to cash instantly. So guys, in order for you to do this is you have to use PayPal. So now, first, make sure your Visa gift card is registered to your own address. You can do this on the gift card's website and just follow the instructions that come with your card. And once your card is registered with your zip code, guys, you can use it online. And next up, just simply log in into your PayPal account on your computer or your phone, and from there just go to your profile and click on account setting. And from there, guys, just simply click on money, banks, and cards. And after that, just simply scroll down to link a new card. And from there, just simply enter your Visa gift card details, including the 3-digit security code by the signature line. Now guys, once you have your gift card connected to your PayPal account, just simply go back to your PayPal homepage and click on send money. So guys, just simply send the balance of your gift card to a trusted friend or another one of your accounts, and make sure to use the gift card as the payment method. And guys, after sending, you can withdraw the cash from your PayPal balance to your bank account. And note guys that there might be a small fee if you're sending to a business account. So guys, if you don't want all of this step, just simply spend it at a store instead of trying to convert it into cash. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.